Ideas about
I want to be a successful person in life.
successful.
Yeah, whatever I do, I just want to be successful in that.
A lot of money.
Yeah, I like Tata Birla.
And what do you make with your money?
A bungalow.
A bungalow.
Love to go on world tour.
Yeah.
And things like that. Cruise and all, everything. Future, something in animation or fashion designing or something. Something like that. Not in science, something like that.
Bye bye. Nice day. Thank you.
So, like, if I wake up one very fine day and find out some miracle, I would like to see, especially our country itself, India, to be much greener, much cleaner. Cleaner and greener, not in literally sense only, but individual wise also. Cleaner in the sense their mentality, their behavior. No doubt they have improved a lot in the last 50 to 60 years, but still we have to go a lot. The corruption, I'm not saying that people all out here is bad, but the thing is there are also some shrewd-minded people. I would like those kind of mind to be washed away.
So my dream is to do something charity to the others also, so that I have to do something for beneficial for me myself first, and after that I can do what I have been dream. For that just I'm trying to go for my dream. That's why I'm coming in here to do something for myself and go on to do something charity for the others. That's it.
So for example, if you imagine that tonight when you go to sleep, there is a miracle happening, you know, some miracle. And in the morning you wake up and there is this miracle. What would it be for you, this miracle? What would you dream that this miracle could be? What would you wish for your life?
Okay, all I have planned, at least for my life, is I think happiness. I just want myself very happy. Yeah. Seriously, that is something I expect all of my life. I want to stay happy.
What makes you happy?
I mean, people around me, the true people around me, who I think is truly my well-wishers. Yeah. Okay, they actually make me happy. Who show that they stand strongly by me. Yeah. They make me happy.
So right now I'm heading for my MBA. So if I wake up in the morning heading a real retail giant, I mean volume of retail businesses, I would be really happy.
Yeah. To make money.
Not making money because it's something which makes me excited. I mean something I like it. I mean I find it challenging. So it's nothing like making money because I'm already earning money. But something which I really find it very, very challenging and something which is really coming up in India and abroad.
I have played table tennis for more than 10 years. I'm a journalist by profession. Yeah. I'm covering business. I cover business, yeah. But I have got dreams of starting my own venture someday. You know, I want to open one newspaper, start one venture, sports newspaper. Yeah. You know, working further, that will be having views of the sports person of the country. Yeah, I'm dreaming about family also. You know, I will have a happy family. Yeah, you know.
How many children? 2 or 10 or?
Maybe, you know, I would like to have one children of my own and one I will adopt.
Hello. Hey, money.
Okay?
Yes.
No photo.
Yeah. If I deserve something in my life, I just deserve that, I got happy life. When I wake up, I got big smile on my face, and something like enjoy the moments, or during the day, I start with my full energy, something like that. कहीं तरीका होगा ये कहीं आप अगर ड्रीम में कहीं देखे हुए और आप कहीं एक्सेप्ट करो नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग यदि आप वेकअप हो तो आप कहीं प्रिटेंड करो आप ड्रीम हो
just I pretend like I want to do something. I want to make the dream true. I try my best to do something, or hard working. I believe in hard working, or you can say honesty. I want to do a lot of things. I try to follow my dream, and I want to my dream become a true dream.
Like without doing, there is nothing. If
we want to do something,
then there is possibility to get whatever you want.
Yeah, like front of you food is there, but you have to eat. Nobody can come to you, and this. I mean, like
the way, like the empty hand doesn't go to your mouth.
Yeah.
Like hand needs something in hand,
and we really, in our life, we really want to, he and me, we really want to do a lot of things, and we always try our best to do at my place here or for everybody. This is what we want, and something different if possible.
Future. I became a teacher and I go for Australia.
No, in my life not miracle.
But if it would happen, what would be the miracle?
Tomorrow. Yes, my husband is. Yes, my husband is for me miracle.
Umang na awat.
I choose law as a career, not only for the practice and business, but some social objectives behind this. And so I want how to make knowledge of law simply to these people who don't know law. And I hope a time will come when 80% of society don't need a lawyer.
If every woman, every girl, she can get education, properly education. In future, she get her benefit of that knowledge and her education. Every woman, poor and high class people, she can. In future, she will do something for India.
If I wake up in the morning, that time I imagine that I am a president of America. I have lots of power. The American president has lots of power, and I provide not the wars against the countries. I tell all the world the peace and only peace.
Actually, in India, choosing a husband by a lady itself it's a coincidence. I mean, if you find somebody who is right for you, otherwise the parents only choose. Choose in the sense they don't say that you marry this person. They'll show and they'll give me some choices.
So they give you some, but then it's up to you to say this one or this one. And how do you? What is important for you? For your husband?
Education and I want a decent person. Decent.
Okay.
Understanding. Well settled.
અને પૈસા પાછા આપણે રોકડા દેવાના આપણે શું જરૂર છે બરોબર છે ને અમે ના પાડી આપણે જોઈતું જ નથી
તમારો બીજું તો આજ ભાઈ આ એટલે પ્રોબ્લેમ કરી ચાલી નહીં બીજું કમાતો તો શું આપો जल्दी जल्दी करो मेरे को पैसा लेने जाने का इनको ना बहुत
Okay, I don't want to express myself. Hi, I'm Sheikh Wasim, and I'm in college right now. I'm 16, and I want to be a merchant navy. I want to join merchant navy. I want to be a marine engineer. I want to settle my life in a good way. I want my family to be happy for what I am doing, and I want to make my parents proud about me. That's all I want. That's cool. Okay, I don't want to actually. They don't want to actually. These people don't want to. Thanks. इतनी सीख रहा हूँ मैं.
Sir, novel. Madam.
Sama aja. Kenapa teh? Lain. Dua deh. Oh. Habis mata dua leके जाओ. Lain. Mama.
Hello, sir. Sir, Bakshi, say madam. Hi. Hey, madam. Hey, madam, 1 rupees Bakshis, madam. Hello, sir. Sir, wali 1 rupees Bakshis, 1 garib hai, sir. Garib na Bakshis, 1 banana khayega, madam. ये मैडम वन चॉकलेट खाएंगे मैडम, गरीब है मैडम। हेलो मैडम।
Sir, what is like midday meeting? What is like?
It's my dream. I had do the education. I finished my education. I have dream to achieve the target, the engineer. But I lost my dream because my parents has lost the job. That's the reason I lost my dream. But now I make the one dream in my personally for my child, and that's the reason I am provide the good education to my child. And I hope so maybe in future time my child is achieved that target, and I will make the one good engineer or good one educate. I will enjoy my life. Thanks.
Thank you.
Problem also. So few tourism they doesn't want to come over here. But sometimes the tourism is demanding to us. So it's our duty to serve you. If the guest has satisfied, then we satisfy.
The boy.
Yeah.
Like an older boy.
Yeah.
18 years. Very serious.
Yes.
Yeah.
My college is nice. It is in Marine Lines. It's very good. And nothing else. It gives many opportunities like sports and everything. I want a big house to live with each and everyone, with my family members, with me, and as a profession, I want to be a chartered accountant. From that, whatever I'll gain, I'll take that as my profession.
मोठं काय बनवायचं आहे आपल्याला?
Chartered accountant.
Chartered accountant. You know CA? In the any office, the CA means chartered accountant. They maintain the account. Yeah. This crazy man.
अरे दबा पकड़ के।
Yes. पोटला पोटली पोट काय ये तो काय सीधे बाबू तो का सीधे फोटो काय आज कसं जोडी बोल रही तमे वालो ये भाई फोटो खींचा Bye. Bye. Hello. Bye. I like photo. I like photo. तो सीधा हम लोग अपने पास से थोड़ी देर Bye. Hello. Photo. I like photo. I like picture. I like photo. I like photo. Hello. 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 Photo. Photo. I like photo. I like photo.